What if I told you that the legendary name in mobile phones, Nokia, is about to make a comeback that could completely shake up the smartphone world? We're talking about a device with specs so insane, it sounds like something from the future. A camera that rivals professional DSLRs, a processor that laughs in the face of its competition, and a battery that just won't quit. This isn't just a phone. This is the Nokia Safari Edge Lite 5G. So if you're thinking about getting this phone, you'll want to stick around until the end of this video. We've got all the leaked specs, price, and the launch date. So let's start. Features of the Nokia Safari Edge Lite 5G. The display. According to the whispers, this phone packs a massive 6.78-inch Super AMOLED display. But that's not all. It's rumored to have a silky smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, a blazing fast 410 Hz touch sampling rate, and a pixel density of 506 ppi. Plus, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. If this is true, this screen is going to be a dream for gaming and media consumption. The camera. Now for the part that has everyone talking. The camera. The internet is buzzing with claims of a quad camera setup, led by a mind-blowing 300 megapixel primary sensor. Yes, you heard that right. And if that's not enough, there are also whispers of a 100 megapixel, 50 megapixel, and 12 megapixel depth sensor. And for the selfie lovers, a rumored 100 megapixel front camera will blow your mind. The power performance. Let's move to the engine. The Nokia Oxygen Ultra is said to be powered by the most powerful chipset from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Elite. This processor isn't just fast, it's designed to handle anything you throw at it, from intense gaming to 8K video editing, all while being incredibly power efficient. And on the software side, it's rumored to run on the latest Android 16 right out of the box. The battery. What's a powerhouse phone without a powerhouse battery? The rumors claim a massive 9500 mAh battery, a capacity you'd usually only see on a power bank. To top it all off, it's supposedly equipped with 125-watt fast charging, capable of juicing it up in a matter of minutes. Price and launch date. So, with these mind-boggling, and maybe even fictional, specs, what's the price tag? Rumors suggest an unbelievably low price of around $799. And the launch date, early 2026.